Hi, I'm Logan, and today we're going to talk about the Cooper Discoverer STT Pro. This is a mud terrain tire for trucks and SUVs. It's good for exploring extreme terrain, especially deep mud. Side biters on the tire's sidewall and scalloped shoulder lugs deliver powerful off-road grip. Inner tread ribs promote mud and sand grip, stability, and handling while reducing road noise. The Armor Tech 3 carcass construction protects against punctures and damage. Flex Groove technology smooths out trail bumps and potholes, providing a smooth ride. This tire is made in the USA.